The lack of knowledge about peace and the actions that can disrupt it on the part of boys and girls between the ages of 10 to 12 has led Mexico to be the #1 country for conflicts and fights in schools. According to recent statistics provided by the National Report on Violence in Basic Education in Mexico, 24% of primary and secondary school students have been bullied or teased in Mexico.
The UN Sustainable Development that we covered was Goal 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions.
16.2 End abuse, exploitation, trafficking, and all forms of violence against children. 16.10 Ensure public information and access information to protect fundamental freedom in accord with the national laws and international agreements.
The community that we work with included children in the 4th, 5th, and 6th grade of Valentin Gomez Farias 415 and 416 elementary public schools. In the first school, we worked with 15 children and in the second with 25, a total of 40 children.
Our goal was to raise awareness among 70% of school children about how to foster peace among peers and actions we can all take to resolve conflicts.
The solution we came up with to deal with the problem was to create a workshop to help the children of both schools understand the concept of peace, the actions that disrupt it, and how to reach peace using practical methods that can be used in any occasion.
Via 3 sessions, we carried out interactive activities with children in order to achieve our goal. 1. We presented the definition of peace, symbols, and practical methods to reach it. 2. We made an origami of the white dove. 3. We created a collaborative drawing that focused on situations that promote peace. 4. To measure success, we created a game to test their awareness and understanding of the workshop. 5. To conclude the session, we created an activity for the children to practice working collaboratively and in harmony.
We played a reflection game to see how many children could answer the questions related to what we covered in the previous session. Of the 40 children, 30 answered all the questions correctly. Thus, 75% of the school children successfully learn, retain, and reflect on how to maintain an environment of peace and what actions to take to encourage it.
Those responsible for making this project possible were Ethan Arias, Elisa Lira, and myself, Fernando Zavala. All thought, we faced complications and challenges during the organization and implementation of the project. We managed to adapt to the circumstances, work together, and keep good communication to push this program forward.